In the heart of Godoy Cruz, Mendoza, Argentina, a new vision of urban living is taking shape. Nestled on a narrow street, Segura 1124 stands out from its low-rise neighbors. This modern building isn't just about aesthetics, it's a thoughtful response to a changing city and the needs of a new generation. The project started with a challenge. The lot size and local regulations meant the team at Primer Piso Architects had to be creative. They cleverly designed the building to respect the existing block core and still provide ample space for two separate units. Each unit offers a comfortable 68 or 75 square meters, perfect for a couple or a small family. But the real innovation lies in the flexibility. One room can be a study or a guest bedroom, adapting to your needs. But Segura 1124 isn't just about walls and floors. The pandemic has reshaped our priorities, and this building reflects that. Each unit boasts its own private outdoor space. The lower unit enjoys two gardens, while the upper one finds privacy with a flower bed and a windowsill perfect for potted plants. But the true green haven lies just across the street. A sprawling linear park offers a vibrant space for recreation and connection with nature. This proximity is a game changer. Imagine stepping out your door and being greeted by lush greenery, the chirping of birds, and the energy of the community. Segura 1124 isn't an island, it's seamlessly integrated with the city's fabric. The building itself reflects this philosophy. The exposed concrete and brick facade exudes a raw, honest beauty. The metal staircase and walkways add a touch of lightness and contrast. It's a testament to the studio's belief in letting each material speak for itself. Segura 1124 is more than just an apartment building. It's a statement about how we can live comfortably, sustainably, and in harmony with our surroundings. It's a vision for a future where our homes become extensions of the vibrant city life.